And I'm Kevin.
And we're from Bunner's Big Shop.
And today we're taking Bunner's on the road northeast of Toronto to a farm animal sanctuary called Snooters.
Now Snooters is having a fundraising drive, and what we're doing is we've created a fresh new strawberries and cream cupcake, and $2 from each cupcake is going directly to Snooters. Now all you have to do is come and buy it.
He's eating that tree.
Hey guys, we finally arrived at Snooters, so let's go check out some animals, but shh, some of them are sleeping.
My name is Susan Morris, and I'm one of the co-owners here, and I'm home to 33 animals, and they're all rescued farm animals. And we just decided that there was a need for it, and we really felt that we wanted to start something up and where these animals could come and live out their lives safely and forever. And so that's what we've done. And in doing so, we've embraced the vegan lifestyle, and we just try to educate people and have them come out and enjoy the animals as we do.
Hi baby, are you having a little mud bath? Hi sweetie, you having a good smell? Yeah, you have your little smell. I know, look at him go.
Wow, he's really getting in there, eh? Our big fundraiser right now is that we would like to replace these 3 houses here. They're basically sheds that we put up when we first got these guys 9 years ago. But they were, you know, about 50 pounds, and we knew they were going to get big, but we didn't have any idea they were going to get this big. And the houses just are not suitable for them. The fencing is like wobbly. We'd need to redo all the fencing, and we'd also like to grade this property in here as well, because although it's really dry now because we've had a dry spell, when it's wet it is horribly wet. So so that's sort of our big thing right now. It is going to be very expensive. We've had quotes anywhere from $28,000 to $38,000, but then once it's done, it'll be done. So that's what our big fundraiser is right now.